how AI challenges some of the prevailing beliefs in our industry. Last year, I had a conversation with a young professional at a mastermind event about how AI will change the way we use and navigate our content. He seemed skeptical, so I pulled out my iPhone to show him a tangible example of AI's capabilities. I pulled up the Photos app on my iPhone and showed him its ability to search for anything I wanted. I typed in tree into the search bar, and within seconds, hundreds of photos appeared. Everything tree related I've ever documented since I got my first iPhone in 2007 was at my fingertips within seconds. The reaction on his face was priceless as he immediately realized the potential of AI in enhancing and scaling content. In fact, I ran into him at another mastermind about 6 months later, and he told me he's been using the search feature on his iPhone to leverage his content more effectively ever since our conversation. Nice. For years, I've been exploring the ways in which AI can transform content documentation, and I'm excited about the latest developments in making these tools more accessible to the public. With AI tools like ChatGPT, we can now harness the power of natural language processing and machine learning to create, manage, and scale content like never before. As a seasoned content strategist with over a decade of experience, I've seen the impact that AI can have on content creation and management. Implementing these strategies helped us to post over 100 times per day in less than 30 minutes per week. My expertise in this area has allowed me to get exclusive behind-the-scenes access to rooms to document influencers like Alex and Layla Hermosi, Ed Milet, Billie Jean's Marketing, Jason Phillips, Stephen Cobshaw, and I have seen firsthand the benefits of integrating AI into content documentation. However, these benefits are not always fully appreciated within our industry. As many hold on to certain beliefs about content creation and management that can be challenged by AI, some industry beliefs include the idea that video editing needs to be done by a professional, or that it takes thousands of dollars of equipment or software to create high-quality content, or that editing needs to be done on a computer. Additionally, many believe that content creation is a primarily human-driven creative process and that computer-created content will eventually take over all of our jobs. While there is a certain place for human creativity and expertise in content creation, AI tools like ChatGPT are proving that computers can play a valuable role in creating and managing content. By leveraging AI, we can save time, increase efficiency, and unlock new possibilities for content creation that were previously unimaginable. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts on this and whether you agree that AI has the potential to transform the way we approach content creation and management. Let me know what you think about AI and tools like ChatGPT in the comments, and I'm so looking forward to seeing y'all. This is hope.dev. Peace.